How to delete Snapchat data without deleting account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. So, moving to the content, if you have ever wanted to clear your data but keep your account active, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and then go to your profile, and on the top right, you'll see settings icon. Tap on it. Under privacy controls, clear data option, tap on it. Here you can choose to clear your conversations, your contact data, your search history, your AI data, and so on. Now, if you want to choose clear contact data, tap on it and you just have to confirm, and all your previous contacts will be deleted. If you want to clear your search history, tap on it and this will clear your search query history too. So on. If you want to clear your conversations, just tap on it. If you want to clear AI data, just tap on it and all will be cleared. However, if you want to export your data and then delete it, what you can do is go back and then scroll down until you find My Data. Tap on it. Here you'll find an option to download your data. So what you can do is scroll down, tap on Next. So here you can download data from last week, last year, last month, 2 years, and even all the time. So after downloading your data, it will be sent to your mail that is mentioned there, and it will be deleted from Snapchat, but the data will remain with you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.